It's time that we will tell you this now. A blue-haired rapper with a white shirt, 19 years of age, is now rap battling the creators from outside. For this, Joey and Mickey, the true engines from Railgate Prison, has changed the speed limit to 150 so you can escape just in time. Watch out for the following: Deborah, rocks, clouds, and coconut launchers. Thank you. The rapper is defeat. I repeat, the rapper was named Boyfriend is defeat. Gacha Heat has also taken over Soda. If you get touched by one of the hates, you will become a clone of the hate that touched you. Stay inside. Do not move if you are going along your line for your job. Quit now and run to the sheds. Thank you.
Let us undo.
You're the number one assassin.